This factory turns broken glass trash into millions of perfect, shiny marbles.
The process begins with tons of recycled glass arriving from recycling centers.
Human eyes ensure that no dangerous contaminants enter the melting furnace. The glass must be perfectly clean to ensure the final marbles are clear.
Uniform pieces melt more evenly inside the massive industrial furnaces.
Magnets remove metal that could damage the sensitive furnace components.
Adding metal oxides creates the vibrant colors found in modern marbles.
The furnace runs continuously to keep up with high demand. Extreme heat transforms the solid shards into a flowing liquid lava.
Precise temperature control prevents bubbles from forming in the glass.
Gravity pulls the molten glass towards the cutting mechanism.
The shears must be lubricated to cut cleanly through the liquid glass.
The machine cuts thousands of precise gobs every single minute. Gravity helps deliver the hot glass to the shaping rollers below. These spinning screws are the secret to making the marbles perfectly round. The constant spinning prevents flat spots from forming as the glass cools. Injecting color into the center creates the famous cat eye design.
As they travel down the rollers, they begin to harden into spheres.
The gap determines if the factory produces standard or shooter marbles.
The marbles are now solid, but still too hot to touch. The buckets are made of steel to withstand the residual heat.
Slow cooling prevents the glass from cracking due to thermal shock.
They must reach room temperature before they can be inspected.
The sound of thousands of rolling marbles is deafening. Mechanical sorting ensures every marble meets the size specification. Human eyes are still the best tool for spotting subtle defects. Tumbling removes any tiny scratches and improves the glossy finish.
And dream. A perfect marble should shine like a jewel under the light.
Different colors are produced in separate batches to avoid mixing. The hopper blends the colors to create variety packs for customers. The net bag is the classic packling for toy marbles.
Every kid knows the large shooter is the most important piece.
The label contains safety warnings and branding information.
Weight verifies the count without needing to open the bag. Retail boxes are designed to show off the colors inside.
Not all marbles are toys. Some are used to mix paint.
Flat marbles are made by stopping the rollers to let gravity flatten the drop.
The boxes are heavy, so proper stacking is essential for safety.
Wrapping secures the heavy load for transport to the toy store.
Millions of marbles are stored here, waiting for distribution.
Digital tracking ensures the right colors go to the right customers.
The marbles begin their journey to toy stores around the world. Impact testing ensures the glass is strong enough for play.
Precision instruments verify that the marble is a perfect sphere.
Nothing is wasted, as broken glass goes right back into the furnace.
Regular maintenance keeps the high-speed rollers spinning smoothly.
The furnace never sleeps, so the factory runs 24 hours a day.
These simple glass spheres are enjoyed by children everywhere.
The colorful bags catch the eye of children in the store.
The game of marbles has been played for thousands of years.
Physics and skill combine in this classic playground game.
Every marble is unique because of the fluid nature of glass.
Glass marbles add beauty to homes as well as entertainment.
The rattle you hear in spray paint is actually a glass marble.
Glass is infinitely recyclable, making it a sustainable toy. This facility produces over 1 million marbles every single day.
It takes skilled humans to manage the intense heat and machinery.
A rainbow of colors created from simple sand and recycled glass.
A tiny universe of glass, captured in a perfect sphere.
Thanks for watching the journey inside the glass marble factory.